how to embed video in HubSpot email. So first, go to your account and then click on marketing here at the left side and then click on email. Now once you're here, you can either create a new email or just open up one of your emails. So let's say I'm going to open up one of my email. Okay, now once you're here, you just need to drag this media option here, this video option here, drag it to where you want it to be on the email. So let's say I'm going to add it to the bottom here. Now here, you can either add a video URL or just select a video from your desktop. Okay, so as for me, I'll just use add video URL. So let's just click on this one, or you can just go here at the left side and then add your video URL. So let's say I'm going to add this video URL here. Okay, now if you want to check if this works, you can just click on preview and test and then click on preview as a contact. Okay, now to see if this works, you just need to click on the video. And there you go.
How to collect data from...
Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.